Ban Kyntiew bat pinkaladur shu ya ke Puthi ha ke jela kamdei setia tangga kamram jong ke Sorkar jela Henry kedon kamru ya ke jingis nok tilang da barok ki ba laong ba Metbah lingdo uchemin ke Meghalaya State Planning Board. Ye kini ke jing ong ule thu akilat pathai Khubor halor ke jingetai badang shen halumpung jong ke Meghalaya State Planning Board kabala shong perkhat kumno ban Kyntiew bat ban penbahai ke Puthi nang ni shakmat ha ke jela Meghalaya barok kawai.
We had this review on the education department as far as the planning board is concerned, and we have discussed at length. It's a pretty long meeting because we understand very well that there are a lot of things need to be done in the department. And but one very important point here I would like to mention. Government alone, I could see that it will be very difficult. We need to ensure that all the stakeholders play their own role to ensure that it's complete reform as far as education is concerned. I've seen whatever they have presented on that day, that they have really worked on the changes that needs to be done as far as the education department. So all who are responsible for that, they have really put on their heads together to see. But other stakeholders also have to be taken into consideration, and they also have to see that they are also equally responsible for that change in the education department. Anything is possible, always. We should always have a very positive mind. The only thing is that those who are part and parcel of that change, as I mentioned, stakeholders, they have to understand their role. What role they have to play, what role they can play, that is very important. And everyone has to be there to see that change. Then it will be positive. But if one or two or three don't accept, if you just put the blame on others only, I think we reach nowhere. So each and every stakeholder has to ensure that they are also equally responsible for that change.